Today is the solemnity of the Assumption of the Blessed Virgin Mary, ang dakilang kapistahan ng pag-aakyat sa langit ng mahal na Birheng Maria. Kaklaruhin lang po natin ang mga bagay-bagay patungkol sa dakilang kapistahan ngayong araw na ito. Hindi sa kakayahan ni Maria na siya'y nasa langit. It was not her only by her own power that she went up, body and soul, into the heavenly kingdom. It was God. Klaruhin po natin yon. Kaya po napakagandang translation sa Filipino ang pagdiriwang ngayong araw. Ang dakilang kapistahan ng pag-aakyat. Hindi po ang dakilang kapistahan ng umakyat. Kasi pag sinabi nating umakyat, sa kapangyarihan ng ating ina ng Diyos, but it is only God that Mary was assumed in heaven, body and soul. Ready po tayo sa ating catechesis. There are 4 Marian dogmas. Chronologically, in order po tayo, himihimayin po natin tig-isa-isa. The first Marian dogma, proclaim during the year 431. The Marian dogma, Mother of God. Blessed Virgin Mary, bilang ina ng Diyos, Theotokos. The second Marian dogma that was proclaimed, Blessed Virgin Mary in her perpetual virginity. Nang ating ina ng Diyos ay birhen pa rin before, during, and after she conceived Jesus Christ. The third is about our celebration on December 8th, the solemnity of the Immaculate Conception. And the fourth is the solemnity of the Assumption of the Blessed Virgin Mary into heaven that we will be celebrating today. 7 days from now, we shall also be celebrating the Queenship of the Blessed Virgin Mary as Queen of the heaven and earth. Paalala ko lang po, itong 4 na Marian dogma, since it is called dogma, all of us are required and obliged to believe. We must believe because this is the assertion of our faith, patungkol sa ina ng Diyos. Today, what prayer can we say to the Blessed Virgin Mary? Ano ba ang pwede nating ipanalangin sa ina ng Diyos? 3 C's from 3 different saints ang ating ipapanalangin ngayong araw na ito sa ating ina ng Diyos. The first C that we shall be praying is a prayer of commitment. Saint John Paul has a beautiful prayer to the Blessed Virgin Mary. Sabi niya, totus, tuus, ego, sum. To you, Mary, I am totally yours. Nawa, may handog natin ang sarili natin buong-buo sa ating ina ng Diyos. Totally yours. Hindi kalahati, hindi kulang-kulang o pagtitipid. We give ourselves not only to Jesus, but also to the dearest Virgin Mary, ang ina ng Diyos. Because whenever we are close to the Blessed Virgin Mary, whenever we are close in offering ourselves to her, everything will follow. The first prayer is a prayer of commitment. Ang ikalawang panalangin natin sa ina ng Diyos, the second C is the prayer of covenant. Mother Teresa has a beautiful prayer as well. She said, Mary, lend me your heart. Keep me in your purest heart. Mary, lend me your heart. Keep me in your purest heart. Maliban na iaalay natin ang sarili natin ng buong buo sa ina ng Diyos, hayaan din natin ng ating ina ay iaalay niya rin ang sarili niya sa atin buong buo. Buong pagkatao, buong puso. Dearest Mother, lend me your heart. Keep me in your purest heart. Prayer of commitment. prayer of covenant, and the last prayer that we shall be praying to the Blessed Virgin Mary is a prayer of consecration. Nung ako po ay seminarista pa lang po, sa high school seminary, at hanggang ngayon, may tradisyon po na ginagawa sa seminaryo, sa high school seminary sa Bimbale. Bago matulog, ay nagdarasal po ang bawat dormitory. Sa bawat dormitoryo, luluhod at ipagdarasal ang sumusunod. By the most holy and immaculate conception of Mary, make my body pure and my soul holy. Make my body pure and my soul holy. Nawa sana po bago po kayo matulog, kada kayo po ay mamamahinga na po sa inyong mga kama, pagkatapos ng kadami-dami ng inyong ginawa sa buong araw, nawa huwag niyong kakalimutan na magdasal sa ina ng Diyos. And if I may say, a prayer of consecration, dedicating yourself every moment of your life. Pag-aalay ng sarili sa kalinis-linisang puso ng ina ng Diyos. 3 prayers that we shall be praying as we imitate the Blessed Virgin Mary for us to go to heaven. A prayer of covenant, a prayer of commitment, a prayer of consecration. Dearest Blessed Virgin Mary, pray for us.